Alright guys, what is going on? I got a little short video for you today. Got a package in the mail. I'll kind of explain why I got these in a little bit, but I'm just gonna jump right into this. Pop this open here. We have some R1 style winglet mirrors for the CBR. Now these were supposed to be carbon fiber, I believe. I think they sent me the wrong ones. These were supposed to be carbon fiber, but I'm not too worried about it. I mainly just need new mirrors. Long story short, the mirrors that were on it previously, which I'll show you in the next clip, were very old and brittle, and I was taking off my jacket one day and I just smacked it on accident, just barely tapped it and it folded and broke. Put a picture on screen. But to be fair, the turn signals on that were wired incorrectly by one of the previous owners, and it was shorting out stuff all throughout the bike. So I want to get rid of those in total. We have new R1 style winglet mirrors that we're going to go install. Let's hop into it. All right, here she is. So as you can see, missing a mirror. These are all old and crusty, and these are all oxidized, scratched up, and then there's some jank wiring inside there and on the other side, but we got these now. Let's toss them on. Okay, to start, we have these two 5/32 screws on both sides. So I have a 5/32 Allen head. Pop those off. All right, we got those two screws out. You don't have to take the center one out because that just holds the mirror and rotates it, but this should pop off. There's gonna be some excess, just peel it off. Okay, so mine did come with new gaskets for there and more hardware. Okay, so there is slider adjustment for different bikes because these are universal, so snugged them down. That's one winglet done, as you can see. Looks much better. And then these just flip up. You have adjustability like this. You can even run them like that. So I personally think running them like this and then just flipping them up whenever I'm ready is best. So that's what I'm gonna do. Just repeat it on the other side. Okay, so those stinky dinky mirrors are gone. Now we have these nice winglets. Set them up real quick. And as you can see, you can adjust them while you're on pretty easily. Alright, so that's gonna sum it up for this video. Next video, we'll probably be doing the throttle tube. As you can see, that's not good, and I have some slop in the throttle.